Hi, my name is Marcelo Ciro. I am a sound designer and a re-recording mixer partner of We Can Do Audio Post and teacher at Music Beat School. And today I will continue talking about how create new sounds. This movie is The Boy and the World from Ale Abreu. This movie was nominated to Academy Awards of Best Animation Movie. Today, let's talk about how array environment was created. Some effects of this movie was performed by some great musicians, like Barbatuques, Naná Vasconcelos, and Jane Group. Then edited, processed for a specific scene. One very cool effect is the rain. Let's hear the whole scene mixed in stereo. After that, we talk how we did it. It is basically a hand clamps with some reverb, only to give some space. I will solo some effects till you see what's going on. These first one are just the claps, with some reverb. Here are some clamps together with a real rain on the suitcase. The next effects are some thunders. Another real rain. Just another rain. And this next one is a rain with some distortion. Let's hear with the distortion, without, and with again. More thunderclaps and some LFE effects that goes only to the sub speaker, with a high cut only to avoid high frequencies to the sub. Everything up 36 Hz was cut. And it has a send to my bass excitement. See it in the trucks video that we did last week. It's the same effect. It is a very low frequency. Let's hear. And the last one, to create some thunders, was used. Some metal shaking. Let's hear it. Let's hear the whole scene again. I hope you enjoy and follow us in wcdaudio.com.